Hey everybody, so in this video we are going to be talking about inverse trig expressions. So here they say inverse sine of cosine of pi thirds, and they want us to find the exact value of this. Anytime you're working with expressions, you have to remember that your order of operations still applies. So we need to work inside of these brackets first. So they want us to evaluate cosine of pi thirds. So if I reference my unit circle here, here is pi thirds and cosine is the x value. So that x value is 1/2. So here when I'm evaluating, I'm going to put 1/2 in for this expression. So now what I have is the inverse sine of 1/2 is going to give me what radian? Now, another way to think about this, you could write it like this, the inverse sine of 1/2 equals what radian? You could also, if you wanted to, think about it in terms of this. Sine of what radian would give you positive 1/2. Now, if you think about it this way, it's a little bit easier to answer because all we have to do is look on the unit circle and determine where we have y values of 1/2. So here I have a y value of 1/2 at pi over 6, and I have another y value of 1/2 here at 5 pi over 6. So it looks like I have two answers. So which one's the correct answer? Well, the correct answer is pi over 6, and here's why. Inverse sine is restricted to the first and the fourth quadrant. So we can write this down. Inverse sine here. If you plug in any value into your calculator and I say the inverse sine of this value, all of your answers that exist are going to be in between negative 90 and 90 degrees. And if you express this as a radian, that would be negative pi halves, put our negative there, and positive pi halves. So now I have to look at my two answers, pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, and if it's easier to evaluate the degrees, you have 150 and 30. Which one of those degrees falls within your range of acceptable solutions? And that's going to be 30 degrees, or pi over 6. So inverse sine of 1/2 is only going to have one solution, and that is going to be pi over 6 radians, or you could write this as 30 degrees. All right, that's going to be all for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.